I've been playing around with different flavour combinations for roasted cauliflower, and this one is the bee's knees. I'm going to be using some Manuka honey, Harissa, in a burnt butter. It is to die for. So we'll start by heating our pan, and I'll add a generous amount of butter and let it melt down. Now, burnt butter, it's also called burn noisette, is when the milk solids in the butter start to go golden brown. When that happens, it does transform and become a lovely nutty flavour. In this, I'm going to add some garlic, so 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to use a fine grater. I don't want big chunks of garlic for this, so mincing is the way to go, along with some ginger. So about a 2 to 3 centimetre piece of ginger. And this flavour combination of the garlic, ginger and honey are just so good with a neutral vegetable like roasted cauliflower. That's plenty. Now, burnt butter goes through a few stages. You'll see that it start to foam and bubble up. It'll be quite loud and then it'll subside and you'll start to smell that nutty flavour. That's a key indication that it's ready. Another point to look out for is the golden colour. So you can see that it's starting to turn now and it's foaming. I'll add the garlic and ginger at this stage. You don't want to add it too early because it will burn. And by adding this now, it'll start to take on the flavour of the ginger and garlic. So good. Now that it's really foamy, I'm going to turn the heat off. You can see those golden milk solids. We'll add our harissa. And harissa is a North African chilli paste. In goes our roasted cauliflower pieces. This is also fantastic with carrots, zucchini, even eggplant works a treat. And we'll give it a toss and coat everything in that yummy butter. And now that this is slowly cooling down, we can add the Manuka honey. You don't want to be adding this gorgeous honey too early because you just want to gently warm it up so we've got all those beautiful characteristics of it. This particular natural sweetener is versatile and it's also wholesome, and I just love to add just 1 simple spoonful makes all the difference. Now we'll just coat each piece of cauliflower in the honey, allow it to melt away, and it'll start to make everything all glossy, just divine. Okay, that's melted through. I'll grab a bowl. We can plate up. And just at the end there, don't leave any of that yummy butter. Scrape that pan down and drizzle it over the top. Roasted cauliflower, sweetened with New Zealand Manuka honey. That is sweet as.